Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Genome Study. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so you will get the notification of all the new videos. But don't forget to like this video. Sometimes when we have an image from a confocal by doing the cell localization or some other images from electron microscope or any other microscope, but we didn't have the scale bar. For showing such type of images, the scale bar is very necessary. It measures the area in terms of that unit. So how we can add that type of scale bar? So let's start. First, you need to open the software that is ImageJ. It is easily available in any. You can download it easily from Google or any search engine, and then you can install it into your computer, and then you can use it. So after installing, then go to the file and then open that image in which you want to add the scale bar. So here you can see that the measurement of that image is shown in the pixel, but we must present it in the macrometer because our that image that was generated from through confocal or microscope, that their size is expressed in the macrometer. So for this you must go to the image and then click on properties, and these settings remain the same as it is. There's a channel, slice, frame, like this. Only here you can change the unit, that is pixel, from pixel to and then OK. Now go to the analyze tool and here scale bar. So you can see that here scale bar is appear. So you can here change the width up to your choice, and then from here you can change the thickness of that scale up to 14, or you can say 10, like this. And from here you can change the font size, and from here the color of that, red, blue, or whatever, black. And from here you can change the background of your image and where you want to keep that scale bar. Usually it is at lower side, and from here if you need vertical as well as. So in this way you can make some modification in scale bar, then press OK, and then you have to save this file, save as, and in this is a different format of the image, TIFF, GIF, JPG, in any format you can save it, and then you can use it into your manuscript or thesis or whatsoever where you want to use it. So in this way you can add this scale bar. Hopefully it will help you. If you have any query, please comment. Don't forget to like. Thank you.